Hello everyone. The Health Cabinet Secretary Mr. Aiden Duale was yesterday found guilty for the deliberate contempt of disobeying court orders issued by the High Court of Milamani, intending to halt the construction of a US-backed Ebola quarantine facility in Laikipia Air Base in Nanyuki. The High Court judge, Lady Justice Patricia Nyaundi, delivered a ruling on June 22, demanding to summon Duale to appear before court on Tuesday 23 for a mitigation and sentencing about this matter. Initially, the High Court of Milamani had issued conservatory orders, suspending any establishment or either approval of the intended Ebola quarantine facility in Nanyuki, whereby the court later on found the ongoing construction works on site still continued deliberately in defiance of these court directives.
Aiden Duale has been found in contempt for allowing the construction of an Ebola quarantine facility in Laikipia to continue despite an active court order. Now he has been directed to appear before the High Court on Tuesday, June 23rd at 11 a.m. for mitigation and sentencing. This is the biggest problem.
The contempt of court proceedings against Duale were initiated by the Katiba Institute of Kenya, led by the Law Society of Kenya, who proved the construction works ongoing on site, despite the active court injunctions. In Duale's defense, prior to this ruling, Duale dismissed the contempt of court allegations as mere propaganda, claiming that the ongoing works on site only involved construction of an existing KDF buildings. In his explanation, the primary deal about the construction of a US-Ebola facility had been suspended following the initial court injunctions, as upheld by his ministry.
Authority and dignity of this honorable court. The Ministry of Health and the government of Kenya remain firmly committed to the constitutional principles of the rule of law, respect for court orders, and the independence of the judiciary. Further, it's important to note that any decision made by myself as the Minister for Health, I base them on science, technical advice, and strategic interventions. Immediately upon the conservatory orders, and in good faith compliance therewith, the government of Kenya and the United States of America suspended the proposed collaboration concerning the facility.
However, the High Court rejected these explanations, ordering Duale to personally appear before court on Tuesday 23 and without fail. Today, on Tuesday, Duale is now expected to appear before the Lady Justice Patricia Nyaundi, High Court of Milamani, for a sentencing of his case about defying court orders, and pronounce a ruling to punish Aiden Duale for contempt of court. Thank you and keep on subscribing.